Hello dear students, how are you? I hope everybody is great today. We will study our comparatives, third unit and comparatives. Let's see together what is comparatives. And we compare two things. One is country and the other is city. Okay. We need adjectives for comparatives. What kind of adjectives? Small, clean, quiet, cheap, and relaxing we can use for country. And for city, we need big, noisy, crowded, expensive, and busy. We learned these adjectives our last lesson. Okay, at the end of this lesson, we will compare country life and city life. I will ask you country life or city life. Now, let's learn some comparative rules. We use short adjectives, one syllable. What's that? Once you say fast, small, short, tall, short adjectives, we use er and then. Let's see. Joe and Peter. Let's compare. Joe is taller than Peter. Tall is a short adjective and one syllable we say. Than we say taller than Peter. Joe is taller than Peter. Now, train and bus. Let's see fast. Fast. Train is faster than a bus. A train is faster than a bus. Long adjectives. More than one syllable. What kind of long adjectives we know? Beautiful, interesting. Look at that. Beautiful, long adjective. Interesting, long. Not only one syllable. So what we use? More than, more beautiful than, more interesting than. And we have car and bike and expensive, expensive. Let's compare. A car is more expensive than a bike. Some important rules we have. First one, when short adjectives end in y, change y to I and add er, like that. Happy, before y we have consonant, happier than. We omit y and we send y and we get I and r. Happier than. Noisy, no y and noisier than. Happier than. Don't forget the first rule. And the second rule, when short adjectives like big, hot, you see here, and in vowel plus consonant. Vowel, A, I, O, okay? Consonant, B, C, D, don't forget. Like that. Big, I, G. The last consonant and add ER. Bigger, one G more we write. Bigger. Hot, hotter, okay? One T more with the hot. Don't forget this rule. And the last important rule, when an adjective ends in E, add only R. Large, we have already E, large, larger, just R. Just R we need, just R. Wide, wider, okay? Now we have some adjectives and comparative form. Let's see. Old, older, young, younger, fast, faster, slow, slower. Let's make some example. Fast and slow. Rabbit and turtle. Rabbit is faster than a turtle. A turtle is slower than a rabbit. Okay? Strong, stronger. Large, large. Okay? Fat. Do you know? Fat. Fatter, we say. Thin, thinner. Here we have rule. Fat, one T more. Fat, fatter. Thin, thinner. Big, bigger. Happy, happier. Easy, easier. Here, happy and easy, do you see? We omit Y and ER. Okay? Easier. Now, we have some long adjectives. Beautiful, more beautiful. Expensive, more expensive. Delicious. What is delicious? Yummy. Interesting, more interesting. Crowded, more crowded. Successful, more successful, we say. Don't forget, we have some irregular adjectives. What is irregular? Regular and irregular. You see here. Good, good changes into better. Good is a short adjective. Normally, we say gooder, but no, we don't say gooder. We say better, better, okay? Rock music is better than classical music. And the bad changes into worse, okay? Don't forget, we say bad, but when we compare, we say worse than, okay? Classical music is worse than rock music. And we have far, far, very far. Far changes into farther or further. Ankara is further than Sivas, we can say. Comparatives, let's see, old and young. Do you remember Harry Potter? And let's make an example here. Dumbledore, the old man here, Dumbledore, is older than Harry Potter. Dumbledore is older than Harry Potter. Harry Potter is younger than Dumbledore. Younger, older. Ursula is fat, Ursula here. And Morgana is thin. Let's compare. Ursula is fatter than Morgana. What about thin? Morgana is thinner than Ursula. McQueen. McQueen is new and fast. Do you know this one? Matter. Matter is old and slow. Let's compare. McQueen is faster than Meter. Meter is older than McQueen. Okay? You can use another adjectives like slow or new. McQueen is newer than Meter and Meter is slower than McQueen. We use er than. Why? Because we have short adjectives. New, fast, old, slow. They are short. Hercules and Hades. Okay. Hercules stronger than Hades. Stronger. Snow White and Cinderella. Fairy tales. Do you remember? And let's look at their hair. Hair. Snow White's hair and Cinderella's hair. Let's compare. Snow White's hair is darker than Cinderella's hair. Dark, darker. Far, far city from Shrek, far. And Shrek's house is near. So, far, far away city is farther than Shrek's house. You can use farther or further. Okay, Turkish food, good, delicious. Chinese food, according to me, bad. So let's compare. Remember, good and bad, irregular adjectives. So good change into what? Turkish food is better than Chinese food. Okay, good, better, better than. Don't forget. Snow White, beautiful. Queen is ugly. Snow White is more beautiful than Queen. Now we have beautiful, long. This is long adjective, so more beautiful. Gold, silver, expensive and cheap you can use. Gold is more expensive than silver. Expensive is a long adjective. Okay, let's see some country and city adjectives again. Small, clean, quiet, cheap, relaxing. Big, noisy, crowded, expensive, busy. Now I ask you, country life or city life again. Let's see. Small, let's compare country life or city life. Country is smaller than a city. Okay. Now noisy. City life is noisier than country life. Cheap. A country is cheaper than a city. Busy. City life is busier than country life. Relaxing, long adjective, don't forget. A country is more relaxing than a city. Crowded, okay, many people. So, a city is more crowded than a country. Thank you, my students. Thank you for watching. See you on next class. Goodbye.